sir, if I am asked the next question, then my answer will be definitely yes. But let's listen from you. Sir, do you want MTTS run forever?
I have a rider as long as the country needs it.
Sir.
There should be a need for such a program, but then I think yes. If there is no need, then why should it? Just because it has done good work, it doesn't have to exist. Yeah. So now you do that. How long the country needs it? Then answers is yours. But mine is very crystal clear. MTTS should run as long as the country needs it. Whether it will run, I don't know. But my wish, yes, it should.
And that need will not be fulfilled because each year a new group of second year students will come. So they will not be trained. And the colleges, I mean, all over India, the college system is not going to be changed in some years, probably. Don't think so. So need of MTTS will be always there.
Yeah, that's your perception, yes. But my perception is that my MTTS students will permeate in all colleges. So one such person in each college is more than enough to make the change.
Yes, sir.
So if we kind of occupy each or get into each every college, then I think MTTS, there is no need in my opinion. Look at Sangeeta says when she looks at Mandar Kasnis, sir, he teaches like you or I teach like him. Okay, yeah. What else I need? Now see that. So if that happens across the country, let's say even about 2/3 of the colleges, I don't think we need MTTS. Okay, because for every such thing I have what is called a critical mass. For a department, for a workforce to some kind of a industry to work, 1/3 of the workforce does job sincerely. I think the industry will survive. That's it. Whereas for the student community to serve, I think we need about 2/3. If 2/3 of the student community is serviced, I think that's enough.
Okay, so we have heard from some sources that every year you think that you should retire from MTTS, but you get so many appreciations and then drop this idea. So I want to ask, why do you think of your retirement? Because we all need you in this MTTS, and we don't find any reason that you should retire from MTTS. And if your answer is age, then we see age is just a number for you, sir.
No, age is not the reason. And also, it's what you said is not correct. What you heard is not correct. In the sense that I want to retire from MTTS is not correct to the thing. Okay, I never said that. Okay. What you might have heard, maybe one should stop MTTS. That, yes, sometime I might have said that. Okay. And that I said because for lack of support from our own MTTS alumni. All right. For example, we want to run camps, then I need people to support. If I want 5 camps, I need about 20 people. Okay. Sometime, you will see that some other camps, you will see that I'm teaching 3 courses. Not all through 4 weeks, perhaps. Okay. But usually I'll teach 3 courses for 2 weeks here, 2 weeks there, 2 weeks there, or some such thing, because somebody who is supposed to come didn't come, or somebody is accepted he didn't come, or we could not find anybody at all for that 2 weeks. Okay. Then I have to substitute. Then that kind of thing, and then I say that if our own alumni don't come back to come to teach, so how long?
It was about age, and you said that the question we have heard.
Oh, yeah, right. I am retiring from MTTS. Right. So I don't. And the other thing which is this, now I handed over the activities to MTTS Trust. Okay. So I was the president till about a year ago. So I stepped down from the presidency. I also plan to get out of MTTS Trust. Okay. But then I told them that I will continue to do all the MTTS work. Okay, my okay teaching is something which I love, which I think I am helping people, so I will continue to do that as long as my health permits. Period. There is no. It's okay. There is. It's beyond doubt. So I am not retiring from that sense. I'm
Okay,
retiring
okay.
from the so-called administrative, this kind of bureaucratic work, various things, so that younger people, more energetic people should take over, because there should be a legacy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because a one-man show always fails, because
Okay.
if that one man goes away from the scene, then that doesn't continue. That should not happen to MTTS.
Hmm.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, what is your vision of a great, healthy, joyful math community in India?
Well, I'm on. I don't have any such great vision. My only vision is that the people, there are two things. There should be some kind of a tolerance. Okay, it's. I'm sorry to use that word because it's again bandied around in political scene too much nowadays. But when I say tolerant, that see mathematics, there is something like pure math, applied math. This is some kind of good math, bad math. Okay, see all kinds of things are somewhat needed. You may not know which is going to be useful. Okay, certain things there. There is nothing. Okay, but on the other hand, the subject itself is being dubbed as okay. This is good math. This subject does not. You don't consider as a good math. That I don't like it. Okay, because you do not know when such things will turn up to be very useful later. Okay, I don't want to name some subjects and create some problem, because the moment I say this is not that, then you intuitively you will begin to believe, as I said, it is that. Okay, so I don't want to name such things, but there are certain perceptions about, especially the so-called elitist institutes of our country, try to propagate. Okay, good mathematics, this only, this is not that, or something they look down upon. That's not a very healthy attitude. But surprisingly, my professor Ganapati Iyer warned me against this 45 years ago. Okay, but at that time I was young. I didn't understand the full import of his advice at the time. But as I became mature, then I understood. He meant it correctly. Okay, yeah. It may be a little too abstract for you, but keep this in mind. The same way my professor put the seed in my mind, it worked in me, it will work in you also later. So don't look down upon somebody just because he does that kind of mathematics or this kind of mathematics. Okay, what he does, even on top, the so-called good kind of mathematics, he may be doing something trash. And somebody whom you think that he is doing, when you look down upon some subject, in that he may be doing something really good. So okay, so do not consider like that.
So, sir, what is the future planning of MTTS?
Future planning, I think the younger colleagues should decide who am I to do that. Okay, I have done. It's almost 3 decades now. Okay, couple of more years. That's easy. Okay, I think younger colleagues should have. But I think I showed them some kind of indication. So when changing needs, you should be ready to adapt. Like COVID, online. Okay, within 1 week we are up. Okay, we are serving. So I think that kind of agility and adapt yourself to a system and changing needs, if necessary, don't think of as compromise. Think of them as adapting to the evolutionary process. And I'm sure that the MTTS team is capable of this, and it will reach our newer heights. Okay, scale
And
new peaks in future.
and uh, if possible, there will be more camps. I mean, more summer camps. If uh, those things can be managed, those faculties all like that.
Right.
That is the thing. And another thing, do you want to reach another batch of students? I mean, another kind of students except these 3 batches. I mean, graduation and master student. Except these, you want to reach some other students.
Yeah, we have plans for that. In fact, you can see that when I started summer camp, immediately I thought of that also. And once our summer camps, our team became very confident, very happy with that. Then I floated that idea. Even though in between, in the middle of summer camp itself, in one of our meeting, I put that seed in their mind so that there won't be any resistance. What I said, the short courses. Okay, that is the courses which we plan to take to students who are MSc or PhD elsewhere to some advanced topic, but we don't want to give a full course. We give basic introduction so that they are very confident of the concepts and the examples and the basic results so that they can read on their own from a book or by attending a lecture. Okay, so that's one thing which you have. And there is another version that also, but that again depends upon the support from our alumni group. See, now our alumni group is very strong, about 200 to 300 people sitting in various institutes of the country. And by very nature, they have acquired certain level of expertise, and their exposition level should certainly be much better than most of the other people because of MTTS training. If those people also come to teach something like 12 courses, a mini course, 12 course, 12 lectures, 16 lectures of a course in their field of choice, in their field of expertise, in their field of specialization, okay, that will spread a lot more scholarship in somewhat higher aspects of mathematics at the PhD level and beyond PhD level also, or state of the art level, so that they can form a team, they can start working in research problems in advanced topics which are of relevance, topical nature. Okay, so these are the plans, but then it all depends upon the support from our alumni group, because how long we can do this. We can also do that. If you do that, then these basics will be left out. Okay, whatever we built for last 3 decades will be lost. So for example, I can leave everything. I can teach in really higher mathematics, no problem for me, and so are many of our team members. But then who is going to take care of this, what we are doing? If somebody is ready to take care of it, then we are ready to shift our field to somewhere else. So these are the kind of visions, and our team is working on that. Let us see. When you see your MTTS teachers, you should also ask them, have you contributed to MTTS?
Yes, that's the end.
In what way? So that you should slowly nudge them.
Yeah. And another thing, to have a meeting in every 3 months or every 6 months, a alumni meeting. We said that question for this only. I mean, the connection between the alumni will be much stronger, so that they feel that MTTS need their help or their support.
Right. See, I'm sure they know that. I'm sure that MTTS trained them well. Okay, in both emotionally and intellectually.
That's true.
Yeah. Intellectually we are trained. Emotionally we are trained because they have seen us, how much we had struggled for, strived for, and it looks very cheap to say, but how much we have sacrificed. They have seen it, right? When you see your parents struggle, right, what do? You want to support them in later life, right? Perhaps once you are married, you may not. Okay, spouse may not allow you, whichever way spouse it is. Okay, but then in your heart of hearts, you want, right? Very rarely there will be children who don't want to help their parents in their whole life, right? The same way, I'm sure that they also know that. Okay, they just see. That's why I said, if you can't come for 4 weeks, come for 2 weeks, and that too you don't have to come for 2 weeks every year. See, let's assume there are 300 people. Okay, once in 4 years they are ready to come. 75 people every year I will get, and the number will keep growing. Okay, 300 will become 320 next year, 350 next year, some such thing, right? So that number. So I just want about once in 3-4 years, 5 years, or 3 years. You come that to not even for 4 weeks, come for 2 weeks. Why can't you do that?
Mm.
Okay, that is one thing which is a sore spot in my thing. Okay. See, you got benefited. You don't want to admit the benefit, perhaps. That's the way I will conclude. Yeah. Oh no, no, I would have done even without MTTS is what you are thinking, perhaps. Yes, maybe you are right. What can I say?
Uh, in my opinion, as I said, that there might be a lack of communication, or maybe, I mean, maybe they are shy of approaching, or maybe like so that these meetings can make them a little bit fluent in communicating or like that.
Well, there had been
This
emails
can,
sent. See, there might have been emails sent to them about this kind of stuff. Okay, and I had openly said this in public meeting, in Silver Jubilee meeting, in other meetings. Also, I publicly said this, and even there was a Facebook post. Okay, in a somewhat allegorical manner. Okay, not directly because it's read by all over the world. So there had been. Okay, it's a kind of we should admit, we should face facts, we should face reality. Okay, and suppose you are saying, Alapan, okay, we'll arrange for a meeting, I invite, yeah, and only you and me will be there. Then you and me meaning very few of us. Okay, there are 300 people, and Santanam, Baba, and Ajit, Anand Narayan. Okay, they can come out with all the names. We can send the email to them. They may choose not to come, not attend the meeting. Okay, you do not attend the meeting. This is our idea. Why don't you give a course of topic of your own? Okay, since you had been trained by MTTs, we hope that your lectures will have more impact on the students, audience. Okay,
yeah,
but they should come up. Yeah.
yeah.
It's based on my previous experience. This is one place I'm one of the most positive, optimistic guy. Okay, but here optimism doesn't help me. It doesn't stand in good stead. But
I think on
I said I'm one of those never say die guy. So keep on trying some trick or other to kind of lure them into MTTS fold family. Yes, yeah, we keep trying.
Okay. So, sir, do you want to give any message to those students who have ability and interest to do higher mathematics but belong to economically poor background and are confused that either they should opt for a job or go for PhD? So, what you want to say to these students?
Well, the thing is, we are opening up MTTS trust for donations. If we find some such people, we may be able to help. I don't know, but it has to be the trust has to take as a decision. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But in our personal capacity, whatever little we can help, we could do that. Yeah. But I have seen such people. I have talked to their parents also. Okay. And that your daughter is pretty good, and so please allow her to continue. If there is small financial help is needed, maybe I can help. And all of us have done such thing, not only me. Okay, you should not think it's only Kumaresan. When I say I stand for various, almost all the MTTS team. Each one of us had said such
Mm,
things. Okay,
mm,
to the parents. Okay, please allow your child to go pursue higher studies.
mm,
Okay, if necessary, we may not be able to help because see, except me, all of them are have children who are yet to establish themselves, settle in life. So they need
yeah.
the family commitment. But on the other hand, we may be able to pay a couple of thousand rupees or 10,000 rupees or some such thing to take care of something. Okay, that kind of thing, all of us are, we had offered, we are done, we will do it.
Okay. Okay,
But
sir.
let us hope that MTTS Trust gets some fund sponsorship by philanthropists, then we may be able to do better
Okay.
in a more
Okay,
systematic
sir.
way. But if there is somebody very serious about it, please ask them to get in touch with us. We will see what we can do.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So, sir, as you get so many compliments from all, so, sir, which one was the best compliment of your life?
I think there are just too many. Yeah.
Special one?
You see, every time when I get, I think it just made my day kind of feeling. Okay. Yeah. The point is, see, one thing which I say to all, again, it comes back to, in some sense, indirectly to the earlier question. Everybody wants some kind of appreciation.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I tried to be somewhat among, I can help, so I helped it. Yes. Okay, and in fact, my policy is do not worry about that. That person should kind of thank you or should be grateful to you or should acknowledge it. Okay, I resolved it in my mind. I should never do that. But on the other hand, if that person does, okay, it helps you. Why it helps? It helps you to do the same thing in future.
Yes, sir.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That for that. It's not that, just because I helped him, he thanked me or he acknowledged it. No. That one propels me, encourages me to continue doing that to other people.
Yes,
That
sir.
pays. Okay. See, in fact, that is what psychology has found out. Very long study for about more than 30 years, he has found, okay, what you need is a small appreciations. Many marriages break because of lack of small appreciation. You don't have to say you are wonderful, you are doing that. Yeah, even a small appreciation, you did well, your cooking was good today, or you did good that you brought me a rose for me today. This kind of even small appreciations is what matters, even among friendship, even among human relationship. Okay, because you just think about, a person might have helped you many times. He might have even given a big help. You will forget everything because of very small incident.
Yes, sir.
Each one of us has suffered that. Each one of us has been a victim of that. Each one of them have been a perpetrator of this crime. Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
forgot all the good things she did. Only I hold on to some things which he didn't do it or which he did wrongly. It's like a small blot on a beautifully pristine white paper. What draws your attention? Only the blot, nothing
Okay.
else. The same thing. Yeah. So I think yes. So whenever I receive such messages, for example, when I look at this video, is just somehow thing which you show.
Yes, sir.
You see, there are, see, now within last less than 60 days, okay, just about, 60 days, 68 days now, okay, and there had been 40 views. How many comments? Maybe about 250 comments.
Mm.
But those 250 comments, if they are good, if they say something, oh, this you did, it like I liked it, rather than simply saying thank you, this kind of very specific mentioning, okay, that puts a lot of encouragement in me. Wow, good. At least somebody appreciated. So I should do one more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this nothing to do with me. I'm just kind of trying to say my feelings so that you can kind of personalize in your opinion. You see
Yes,
that? See, this what happens. Yeah. Did I answer your question?
yes, sir. Sir, last but not the least, any special message to the freshers like the upcoming generation of mathematics?
Love what you're doing. Have confidence in yourself that you can do, and help others who struggle. That's it.
Mhm. So lastly, a big thanks to you, sir, that you gave us your precious time and for sharing your pearls of wisdom with us and for everything you have done and still you are doing for all of us. So we express gratitude from the core of our heart. So thank you so much, sir, and thanks to the whole MTTS team.
Thank you very much. In fact, I also allowed because a lot of things which I wanted to say, I wanted to put on record. Okay, because since do a lot of things, I don't find time to write up these things. In fact, once I wrote a blog, I wanted to continue it. I forgot it. In fact, I should save that message. Coming back, so this gives an opportunity to kind of express some of my views. Okay, please, as usual, do not accept whatever I say. Do not be offended by whatever I say. Okay, try to subject it to very critical thinking analysis. If you like, if you understand there is something good. If you don't like, okay, that's also good. There is nothing wrong. Okay, as a English saying goes, we can agree to disagree. Yeah, but all my things have been very honest. It's not to offend anybody or to criticize anybody. Okay, if the viewers get affected or kind of annoyed or offended, I'm sorry, that was not my intention.